So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about MSc online entrance examination. So I've talked to a lot of my friends who are currently sailing with MSc. So they have shared all good information about this online entrance examination to me, about the examination, the difficulty level, the exam pattern, everything, and the cutoff also. So what is the proper number, what is the good number which you can score to get into the interview part. So I'll tell you everything in this video. Just watch the video till the end. And if you guys are going to face fleet management online examination, you can watch my recent video where I have shared my all information, all my experience in that video related to fleet management. I will put that video's link in the description, and also you can watch that video by clicking on the I button. So now talking about the MSc online entrance examination, first of all, talking about the exam pattern, you have to face 50 questions in 90 minutes. So this is the best part what I have come to know about this examination, and even my friends were telling that this is the best part, that you are getting a lot of time for each questions. This 50 questions in 90 minutes. So this make this paper a little bit moderate, because the difficulty level of the questions are kind of moderate in mathematics, and in mathematics you are getting 12 questions, in physics you are getting 13 questions, in English you are getting 15 questions, and in general knowledge you are getting 10 questions. So this is the exam pattern. And talking about the difficulty level subject wise, what I come to know through my friends is, for physics and mathematics the difficulty level was easy to moderate, means mixed question from easy to moderate. And talking about the English section, it was easy, and general knowledge, it was the toughest portion in this, because they even ask you from the world general knowledge. So this is a little bit tough. Maybe it can be related to geography, maybe it can be related to capital and currencies of different countries, and many more things, many official bodies. So GK is the toughest portion in this MSc online entrance examination. And apart from these, they were telling that in mathematics and in physics you will get numericals based questions, but you are getting a lot of time, that will make it easy to solve. There will be easy questions, but they will be lengthy ones. So this is the part of mathematics and physics, you will get numerical based question, and you are getting time to solve those questions. So that's all about the examination, what I came to know through my friends about the difficulty level, about the toughness of different section, about the exam, math, physics, English, and general knowledge. Now coming to the cutoff section, one of my friend was saying that you have to score 42 plus to get into the interview list. So this can be a little bit tough for you to score 42 plus out of 50 to be in the interview list. And if you are failed to score 40 plus in this online examination, you will not even get a mail of fail, not even about the interview, nothing. So you have to score at least 42 plus to be in that list of interview. So you have to work hard. So what I will suggest is to go through Air Force XNY book, because it covers all GK, English, physics, mathematics. So this is the best book you can do. You can get the link in the description. Just go and you can get that book from Amazon or Flipkart, anywhere. So just buy that book and you can prepare from that book. So that's it for this video. These were the information what I got from my friends about the online examinations, and we'll surely make a video on MSc interview as well as fleet management interview, and my upcoming video will be on Synergy's online examination also, and about their interview also. So a lot of video has been lined up by me on this channel, so just subscribe the channel so that you will not miss any of the update. Please press the bell icon, and if you found this video useful, just give it a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt related to any part of this video, just put it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video.